I've got the OnePlus 15 and I'll show you 4 different ways of taking screenshots on this phone. Now the first way of taking screenshots is the usual power and volume down, press once and release, and that takes a screenshot of the entire screen. You can also go to the quick settings panel and find the screenshot shortcut, tap on it, and that's also going to take a screenshot. You can also use gestures to take screenshots. So if you put 3 fingers and swipe down on your screen, that also takes a screenshot. And also you can take a partial screenshot by pressing and holding 3 fingers on your screen. And then once this window comes, just draw over the area you want to take a screenshot, and that's going to take a partial screenshot. And then you can tap on the check mark at the top there to save that screenshot. All screenshots will be saved to the Photos app. So if you go into the Photos app, you will see your screenshots there. Also, you can go to albums and select the specific album for screenshots, and that's where all your screenshots are gonna get saved. Now, for gestures, they have to be enabled in the settings. So if you go into settings on your OnePlus and then go to accessibility and convenience and then scroll down to screenshot, you can enable or disable these gestures for screenshots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.